Hitting on my wife in public to get her reaction part 2.
Hey, gorgeous, I'm gonna go park the car. All these cakes, and I'm only seeing 2 that I really want. Delicious, nutritious, bodacious, temptatious. Oh my gosh, you are so beautiful.
Very embarrassing. There's people everywhere.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have something to talk to you about. You are too good looking, and you cannot be walking around by yourself in the store. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're the hottest topic that I know. For real, you're just like the hottest thing. Like, my goodness, look at you. Look at you.
No paparazzi.